In the fast-paced world of manufacturing, precision and quality are everything. However, with increasing complexity comes the potential for errors. Preventing errors from occurring or immediately detecting them ensures products meet the highest standards of safety and quality. Avantguard is a best-in-class software solution in error-proofing that achieves efficiency and unmatched product quality for manufacturing operations. It transforms the assembly process across all product variants, detecting errors, and guides operators through complex tasks, as well as through the repair process. Packed with features like tool interlock, operator guidance, ensuring the correct tightening sequence, and results for repair and traceability, all built in to enhance efficiency. Avantguard shields operations from risks like downtime, faulty work, and repair. It keeps your line moving while ensuring consistent top quality and safe products. Avantguard is accessible on multiple devices. Quickly make changes to processes, easy to use, and no coding required. Avantguard sends all process data to ToolsNet 8 for full transparency, helps detect trends early, and improves quality issues swiftly, ultimately leading to higher production outputs. Avantguard works across industries with the world's largest players. Avantguard enables you to deliver excellence to your customers. Do it right the first time. Avantguard is available globally. Contact us to learn more.